In today's video, we'll see the recipe of butter garlic prawns. It is the easiest and the tastiest prawn starter recipe ever. For this recipe, you will need some cleaned prawns along with the tail intact. To clean the prawns, you just cut off the head and just peel off the skin along with the legs. The prawns would not curl up much while frying if you keep the tails intact. So if you see, I have just retained the tail and the portion before it. We will also devein the prawns. Now let's marinate the prawns with some cornstarch, some salt as per taste, and some black pepper powder. Give this a good mix until the prawns are all well coated. Now let's fry them. Heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil turns hot, place the prawns one by one. Now let's fry them on a medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. I have covered it with a lid so that it gets cooked as well. Flip them and fry the other side as well. Once the prawns turn golden or orange in color, you can remove them from the oil. To the same pan, we will add some butter. Not some, a bit more because it's butter garlic prawns. I'm using unsalted butter. To this, we will add in lots of chopped garlic. Saute this for a minute. Add in some finely chopped green chilies and some chopped spring greens. Saute for a few seconds and add in finely chopped coriander leaves, a bit of salt. You may skip the salt if you are using salted butter, and some crushed black pepper. Add in the fried prawns to this and coat them thoroughly with this butter garlic masala. As a final step, we will squeeze in some lemon juice and garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves and chopped spring greens. So the butter garlic prawns are now ready to be served. Have them while they are still hot and you would just love the flavors from the butter and garlic. This is one of the easiest prawn starter recipe that you can make at home. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit that bell icon for notification of new videos.